for them a think about the one. But them can't close up the journey. Enough for them a think about the one. But them get a hold of
to play in CULTRE and Lance Lego.
Hold on. Boy, you want yeah, boy, you want 20th century.
The champion I love you truly. I love you truly. And it would mean so much to me to hear you play all night. I need you just to keep me satisfied. Black champion, really, I want to hear you. And if a song boy tried to test black champion anytime, I know that he will have to change his mind. Truly, I love black champion. Truly,
black champion.
He is the number one. Yes, black champion, you must be true. Marcy Willis coming to you on black champion. Black champion. We want to big up Panther, Lance and Champion. Hello. Black champions playing, number song is dying, selectors cry, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la
I tell you man, trial St. Elizabeth, Bushman, Bad Indian and DJ Kenny, DJ Gravity, Father Martin, stay so, Kill Sound. Black champion, I go kill them someday. Say I'll teach how to taste. Some boy go turn it to sound I go dead. Black champion I chop up them. Sound I go dead, idiot sound boy. You hear me? Black champion been killing sound for so long. You feel like you can't remember the black champion sound killer. Say, the music maker. If it's absent from the name, so there'll be no license at all. Black champion heavy up. They know how to kill sound boy. Say. Enough of them a try to test black champion, but they fail the test. 'cause after defeating one sound, never a sound like this. That champions again is. No wonder why people love you so. We give them the feeling. I'm in the mood. The killer sound. That champion, we're gonna show them. If we leave them, now after defeating one sound, I'm in the mood. The killer sound. That champion, we're gonna show them.
I hear Jim Brown with big endorsement representing that champion. See? Big up Father Martin, DJ Gravity, DJ Mark, Bushman, Fire Java, Kenny, Bad Indian. No long talking, you know. You don't know we have a big up send. Just a little word of champion sound. Champion sound. A sound was without any dubplate, like a sound without roots. That kind of sound can never touch Black Champion sound. Oh, you kill a brother, dirty killer yard. Self-empowerment, $50 and cents. Just some little words of wisdom about Black Champion. You be a match with freedom. Feel another one coming for the mountain. Just some little words of wisdom. Try out sentence, but match with freedom. Listen up.
This is me, Admiral Quebec, Mr. Red. Black champion, play big show. Listen, some sound in this world gone crazy. I said some sound in this world gone mad, mad. All because of vanity, they will do anything just to have. I heard someone say the other day that life doesn't make sense living. They lost their faith along the way, but just is always forgiving. But champion don't have to be rich to be a champion. Champion, money can buy you and their salvation. I say, Bushman don't have to be rich to be a righteous man. As long as his meditation is free from corruption. Listen, some will sell their soul for vanity, just to move up in society. All I need is your blessings, prosperity, eternally. I've seen that I've seen many soundboys die. They want to get up, they don't want to be with the champion of them all. Not champion, murder them down. I go. Never support when the boy them a promote. So them send well if a butcher now we try cut me short. Politics and we not short for them. Who's the champion and jump on and jump on. Black champion and champion and throw a jump on and left them on the dump land cause them a malfunction. So large man like Bushman, Bad Indian, DJ Gravity, Father Martin, Kenny, you don't know. Saint Elizabeth, never worry, never fret, anything this black champion and dead. Giant, dancehall. Them test the champion and them fall. Black champion, murder them down. I go. Never support when the boy them a promote. So them send well if a butcher now we try cut me short. Politics and we not vote. So them say we come to blood. Send submarine to sing the champion. But them write me woman all and put them a go hang me like a goat. Them take that to bank, take that to put. Taking over import, export and the port. No mention the war, but let's be a court. So the whole of them next to me dance so. Tell them a now how we down so. Black champion you feel the dance all dog and the jam crew. Tell them a now how we down so. Go tell them they are not going to be wrong so. But you are now how we down so. We know the sound where we go with bad and we dance so. Tell them a now how we down so. So them come search up the one new port down swells and dash. Them gone with me chalice and me cool calabash. Me little nurse mash and the monetary stash. Me have no faith in them that you don't crash. I'm not telling you about the systems and them who can crash. Let them go
This is murdering from noon to the morning. Easy Crystal intention, original Black Mike speaking. A big man here upon big man rhythm. Johnny Asburn, come deal with the matter.
Black champion in the class by itself. And the original Johnny Osborne champion. Champion singer and champion song. Let's have it. Precious dedication to each and every one. Oh well, oh well. Just find the reason why black champion play so nice. Just find the reason we're gonna play this, the play twice. Now black champion play in the Lord. I would if I think you know it at one. As if I can play like champion sound. I'm black champion in the Lord. Oh, and I'm longing to kill you with the plague. I kill you from early, I don't wait delay. Black champion sound is the champion sound. Just find the reason why black champion play so nice. Just find the reason we're gonna play this, the play twice. And after the love game that we're playing, all of illusion, just a parade, and all the reasons start to fade. Oh, and I'm longing to love you just for a night, kissing and hugging, holding it tight. Please let me love you with all of my mind. Reasons, the reasons that we're here. The champion never loses, so classic. We said champion never lose, no song classic. And a time song, why not try? About the laptop, sing my style. Champion never lose, no song classic. Sing pan sound now, sing pan never win, no song classic. Me say I sing pan never win, no song classic. And no try sing pan, no try. About the laptop, sing pan style. I sing pan never win, no song classic. Dig him and sing your song, champion never lose.
Original sound, original sound. Killing a jump on a black champion in Jordan. Jump on the beginning of the clash, the clash. Black champion kill a jump on a black champion kill a soundboy. Soundboy you beginning of the dance, the dance, the dance. The champion a play, champion a play. If you see a sound boy, searching for all those
Black champions on the room. Yeah. But I will bring it down. Last time I sit up in the time in yard. Singing my man up and some boy and tremble. Sing the latest song and do black champion ring. Up in the hands, the ribbons on gold. Bullet and champions and the moon. Stay away from the land of the fool. Black champion they are cool. Say it's a fun night. Black champions are ruling love. Fun night. So why get a picture? Fun night. Black champions are ruling love. Fun night.
Kill me, kill a soul. Whether you want beer, put on your jacket and time. This my sound. Oh, you are good, we're not the same type of people. We're not the same type of people. Whether you black, whether you white, this black champion, oh, you are good, we're not the same type of people. We're not the same type of people. And no sound black champion superior. We are gonna make a sound feel inferior. Who gave you the qualification to
try this not champion. You will never see about a player.
Blow man. Hey, what's the boss man? What's the Martin? A black champion I play. Next sound can't kill me down there. Inna the town or the ghetto, jump and up the runway. Black champion. Black champion. I want the sun pound. The white champion.
Let's the crucial sound of black champion.
Right, this is the original black champion. Baby man, Kenny. Blow man. Hey, what's the boss man? What's the Martin? A black champion I play. Next sound can't kill me down there. Inna the town or the ghetto, jump and up the runway. Black champion. Black champion. I want the sun pound. The white champion. The
Black champion sound.
Right, this is the original black champion. Baby man, Kenny. Blow man. Hey, what's the boss man? What's the Martin? A black champion I play. Next sound can't kill me down there. Inna the town or the ghetto, jump and up the runway. When black champion sound a echo, that sound can't kill me down there. Inna the town or the ghetto, jump and up the runway. When black champion sound a echo, when black champion come and I bring them down there, the sound them run I can't get wrong with black champion majestic with them 100 shooter, with a move up and move up, and a deep on the future, influence with them mother, live on them corner, smoke marijuana, gunshot feel like llama, nothing them no freedom, no want no behavior, my black and soldier, we know the border, sound just give me down there. Inna the town or the ghetto, jump on up the runway. When black champion sound a echo, let's sound black champion. Give me black champion. All the baddest in this world right now, kill off every sound and set them straight right now. Enough sound and sell them soul. Black champion come pick up them in a hole. The baddest in this world right now, kill off every sound and get them girls right now. Enough stone and sell them soul. Black champion go be drop them in a hole and tell them, Father, that you alone can protect me. We play good time and guide the youth from every day. Oh, God, me know you now make me. Play the song to lead the youth stay astray. They come with Babylon system is stress me, but we never be Babylon way. So when them eager sound you try to test me, them get like a damn on the knee. The black champion, the baddest in this world right now. Kill off every sound and take them girls right now. Enough sound and sell them soul. Black champion go pick up them in a hole. And the baddest in this world right now. Kill off every sound and take them girls right now. Enough sound and sell them soul.
Yes, alright, hear this. Hear this. Some boy dead now. Watch those dog plates you play and mind the way you talk. Watch out for black champion sound will make you jump and park. Black champion a serial killer will sneak up in the dark. And you see a big dog plate and mash up them jump and heart. Sound of the bed and do them a plea and beg. Here I, yes, I'm a big bad champion sound I represent here, so you must have black champion international, yeah. And the real sound, I'm say Fatherland, big up yourself to the fullest, I don't know, yeah. I'm say Martin, I know you're the big man, dog. Kenny, big up yourself to the fullest, yes. Oh, nah, nah. Gravity keep the fire burning every time, yeah. I will say about Indian, nah, 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 nah,
Black champion.
yeah, nah, 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 nah. Mark, big up Bushman. Yes, alright, yeah, this. Yeah, this. Sound boy dead now. Watch those dog plates you play and mind the way you talk. Watch out for black champion sound will make you jump and park. Black champion a serial killer will sneak up in the dark. And you see a big dog plate and mash up them jump and heart. Sound of the bed and do them a plea and beg. I don't play to the bed. Whoa, yeah, yeah. Black champion, been around for a damn while. And you murder you boy. Watch how you this black champion come and murder you. The 50 caliber we chop up and murder you. Inna the name no say a word I yo. We know the body game. Jump on to lame, what a shame. This we no gunshot inna you bright from me. About them now come now when them know them no rough. Now when the right rap that will not them up. Them a wonder how me do this and growing hate and now.
And we'll never find the years, turning from Monday to Friday. At the end of the week, I got to listen back to champion play. Oh God, me and my coach and my king, take a little stroll in the dance hall, watching the black champion girls having themselves a ball. Oh God, beg you skank, keep you skanking. Oh, black champion sound till the morning. Whoa, yeah. Beg you light up your child wine. Whoa, boy. Because some boy can't die. Whoa, yeah. Yes, it's Saturday night, and the vibe says alright. Black champion tonight, and I'm feeling alright. Saturday night, whoa, what a night, whoa, what a night. Big you skanking.
So many soundboys wanna see black champion. Stop playing in the dance, no way. So many soundboys wanna see way. Stop nicing up the dance, but what me tell them? Murder them again, black champion, murder them. Now my slow down cool, this is just for the McGregor one more time. Pan days when I got nowhere can dance well nice in. We have enough respect of black champions here. Big show we play with big artists, big up St. Elizabeth, big up Steve, Bushman, Kenny, Boss Martin, Bad Indian, Mark, Nico, what am I talking about? So many soundboys wanna see black champion. Stop playing in the dance, no way. So many soundboys wanna see way. Stop nicing up the dance, but what me tell them? Murder them again, black champion, murder them. Murder them with rubber dub selection. Murder them, black champion, murder them. Say if you murder them with rubber dub selection, cause and then your granny can't help you when we play. Your uncle can't help you. What DJ Gravity, my fling down selection. They say no, that sound can't stick around. This is brand new, coming from Body D and to you, yeah. Yes, this is brand new. DJ Mark and Nico telling it to you. Steve Bush, brother Kenny. Murder them again, Boss Martin, murder them. Murder them with rubber dub selection. Come on. Murder them, black champion, murder them. Murder them with rubber dub selection. Cause and then your granny can't tell you when we play. Them uncle can't tell them.
Don't feel it, sound boy and improve with it. Make them know the man. It's gonna be them time to die, but it's time to die. Yeah. Be them time to die, black champion do the cry, boy. Yeah. It's time for the stage. Bust them head like a hell, say. DJ David the killer of the yellow. Can't the boy them not no big double play, no get no big break kick. No, when Friday come, them get no big paycheck. Papa shot to send them borrow up at the earpiece. Load up them shirt and all them chain and all them big bracelet. You Kenny, the boy they answer the black champion. Where them know so we think reach a level and them know. Some boy they do not the show. Now you may answer the father Martin, big up yourself to the max. DJ Gravity Bad Indian. You hear me? Kenny them for the know yo, DJ Mark. I say you below me. I say Culture Kelly. I'm a represent for Trial likewise. Yeah, you hear me? I said it. Land Brother just represented once more. A black champion, you hear me? Sound feel it, sound boy and improve with it. Make them know the man. It's gonna be them time to die, but it's time to die, yeah. Be them time to die, black champion do the cry, boy. Yeah. It's time for the stage, yeah. Bust them head like a head, you say. DJ David the killer of the yellow, yeah. Cause the boy them have no big double play, no get no big break kick. No, when Friday come, them get no big paycheck. Papa shot to send them borrow up at the earpiece. Load up them shirt and all them chain and all them big bracelet. You Kenny, the boy they
It's confusing world. Champion need a understanding world. In this lonely world. no wanna see it, and we no wanna devil. We no wanna settle problem to miserable. Give me a girl from devil. Sometimes you take up a girl and just like say you want sickle. She make people take up your papa show like it till and tickle. Turn your back and next man pour water and her tickle. Them girl you too hard to settle in this confusing world. Champion me I understand in words. In this lonely world, champion me and let me tell you something today. I'll tell them lonely. I am so lonely. Champion tell them say, thank God. No more pain and stress. Champion tell them say, thank God. And no more pain and stress. I sure. Come in and bless you in a player man. God alone can be just so everything that normal. So we pray for the youth them when we see a one bad. Cause if we don't win with them one bad because of and of us a big glad when everybody looks sad. When we are praise God we can go some black. Go church with me mommy and we granny and we dad. Champion to a give praises to God. Oh God, again we sing. Thank Lord, I'm blessed. Black champion say, no more pain and stress. Oh no, so thank God, I'm blessed. No more pain and stress. Oh no, sister, give praise to the Almighty. Yeah, so stay far from trouble. Soul boy, I'm gonna be the one. I know they're in a trouble. Aye, champions in no trouble, wanna trouble you, leave it alone. From in no trouble you, leave it alone. We say no trouble, wanna trouble you, leave it alone. From in no trouble you, leave. You say the lion in my sleep and you go wake him up. Uptown, downtown, people rating up. And you go lippy and go bait him up. You see the trouble that you got when you go break it up. Trouble that road and you go take it up. Dirty rumor where you spread out and wake it up. In a trouble, you're ready to not take it up. Now you realize that you can't break it up. You say no trouble, wanna trouble you, leave it alone. From in no trouble you, leave it. Champion say no trouble, wanna trouble you.
Clown. This is Kumar representing Black Champion Sound Scene. DJ Gravity, Fire Jab, Kenny, Bad Indian. I revives, but you still a kill them scene.
Black champion, black champion,
Away.
black champion.
Sounding. Away. Black Champion Sound. Said if you wanna catch a groove, wanna feel the I revive. Yes. I said just rock and come in. Black Champion I play tonight. Yeah, Jack. Say bring your queen. Tell us if you loud in machines tonight. Good guys, cause it's a funky reggae party. So feeling fine. Bushman hype tell them it's a long time. I know that's like this. Yes, just sound and clown. This is Kumar representing Black Champion Sound Scene. DJ Gravity, Fire Jab, Kenny, Bad Indian.
Yeah, man.
I revives, but we still a kill them scene. How well sounding. How well Black Champion Sound. Said if you wanna catch a groove, wanna feel the I revive. Yes, I said just rock and come in. Black Champion I play tonight. Yeah, Jack. Say bring your queen. Tell us if you loud in machines tonight. Good guys, cause it's a funky reggae party. So feeling fine. Bushman hype tell them it's a long time. I know that's like this. No, it's a long time. I know groove like this. Yes, DJ Gravity. Yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh. culture. Send best crew, maximize respect is due. Big up Gravity, Bushman, Kenny, Bad Indian, Large Up, Jab, DJ Mark, Martin, Trial Crew. This is Glenn Washington passing through on a godly vibes and a big sound. Somewhere you better run away from here. It is very clear. Ooh, hey, there's some boy. Black champion is better than you. Oh, yes he is. And no matter what you try to do, tonight your sound will get through. No. All the little heated dubs that you play, you love to throw them away. Oh, yes you will. Because it is too dark to try. Tonight your sound will die. No, sound guy. Black champion got the answer to what the people want to hear. They must see them love you. Black champion got the answer to what the masses want to hear. The people that love you. Black champion cool. It's a media sound boys out the street. I have had my share of idiot sound. Black champion music sounds so sweet, but there's a lot of bad-minded sound boys trying to knock him off of his feet. But no matter how hard the battle be, Black champion sound will get victory. Say Jaja give him victory. Yeah, my man. Black champion sound of the champion. Big up set best cool. Big up Gravity, Bushman. That's how we stay out and Kenny. Bad Indian, Large Up, Martin. Big things. Trial Crew, maximize respect is due. Glenn Washington.
The champion, the champion sound is playing in town. I see a whole lot of people start to gather round. Show away your foolish dubs. Let Black champion sound take over. No matter what you try to do, Black champion will turn your sound over.